Hi, Kenny, One Source RV. Today we're going to demo a Minder portable air compressor. Let's get into it. We're going to unpackage it, see what all we got. We got our lead hose. We have a digital gauge. The compressor unit itself, which I've already installed our air filter on it. And a little different than the competition, this comes with whatever you need for any size coach. So we got two hoses there. There's an assortment of little fittings for blowing up small stuff. And that's it for the moment. So we're going to take the compressor, I'm going to hook it to 12 volt. I'm going to hook to the engine batteries here. I'm going to leave it off until I get everything hooked up. I'm going to take our lead hose, which this is to help dissipate any heat that might arrive between here and these plastic hoses. Let's see, we need So now what I'm going to do is I have a set of duals here, and I'm going to drop the air in one of them to probably about 80 pounds. And we'll see how fast it pumps up to, I think I've got them at 100. All right, so we're back. We're going to take our gauge, screw it onto the valve stem, and I've lowered the air down to exactly 80 psi. We're going to hook the compressor up, turn it on, start the timer, and we'll see how long it takes to get back to 105 from 80. Now keep in mind, this is a 30,000 pound coach with all the weight sitting on the rear end. It does make a difference when you're airing up a weighted tire versus an unweighted tire. We'll be back. 6 minutes and 15 seconds, and I'm at 105.5. So at about 6 minutes, we aired this tire from 80 psi to 105 on a 22.5 inch outer dual and about 100 degrees heat here in Florida. I think the compressor done a pretty good job. All right, so we've wrapped up our test of the Minder compressor. I think it performed exceptional. One difference between Minder and the main competitor, Minder comes with a digital gauge, which at first I didn't really care for that because I thought batteries will corrode over time, and you know, a manual gauge will never have a problem. However, in using both of these, I have gotten so used to this digital gauge, I would prefer it over the dial gauge now. And also Minder offers an exceptional warranty on their batteries, their gauge, and their compressor. Their compressor has a 3-year warranty as compared to the competitor has a 1-year warranty. Priced competitively and maybe even a little cheaper. So overall, Minder gets a big thumbs up from One Source RV. Thank you.